What's going on, Mopar fans? I'm Jared Balfour from MoparInsiders.com, and we're going to recap our time at the 2019 Canadian International Auto Show in Toronto, Ontario. Now, before we get into the video, we do have one exciting announcement to make. How's it going, guys? It's Jared Balfour from Mopar Insiders. Behind me, we've got the Dodge Challenger Hellcat Red Eye, and we've got some exciting news for you guys. Mopar Insiders has just ordered a 2019 Dodge Challenger 1320. Now we're going to be taking this car to the track. We're going to be doing all kinds of modifications. It's also going to be our long-term test car. So we've got a lot of awesome stuff coming your way. It's all going to be on YouTube. It's all going to be on Mopar Insiders. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. That's right. We have ordered a 2019 Dodge Challenger 1320 as a long-term test car for MoparInsiders.com. This car will see a lot of drag strip duty, and we also plan on modifying the car and testing out all the changes as we go. This car will be well documented on MoparInsiders.com, as well as in a lot of video right here on YouTube, as we have an excellent local track that is right at sea level and typically has good DA. For those that don't know about the new for 2019 1320 package, it is available on the RT Scat Pack and includes drag mode with adaptive damping suspension, a trans brake, torque reserve, street legal drag radials mounted on 20 by 9.5 inch low gloss black drag wheels, passenger and rear seat deletes, although we did opt for the passenger seat, drag mode performance pages, a 1320 illuminated air catcher headlamp, and 1320 and Angry Bee badging in various places. We're excited to get this car in our hands and can't wait to put together some excellent content for you guys. Now, getting back to our time at the auto show, we had a chance to check out the Canadian exclusive 2019 Ram 1500 Sport. Now, the Sport Edition is a Canada exclusive model, and what that gets you is the monochromatic look, as well as black headlamp bezels, black grille treatment, and black badging. Under the Sport Performance Hood, optional on the Sport, you get the 5.7 liter V8, 395 horsepower, 410 foot-pounds of torque. No e-torque Hemi or Pentastar V6 is available on the Canadian Sport. Coming along inside, this truck does have the full leather interior, heated and vented seats. You also get a unique kind of carbon fiber trim along with metal accents in the door panels. This truck has the advanced safety group, so you've got adaptive cruise with full stop. You've got lane keep assist, active parking, and all kinds of stuff to help keep you and your family safe. Well, something that sets this Sport out from most is it does have the 12-inch Uconnect screen that became optional later in the year. The 2019 Ram Heavy Duties were also shown for the first time on Canadian soil.
Biggest car show in Canada, and what better place for us to show you the biggest trucks in the Ram. This is the new 2019 Ram Heavy Duty.
Now for the 2019 Ram Heavy Duties, they're all new from the A-pillars forward, new sheet metal. This truck has got a sport package on it. It's a Laramie. Now what that gives you is the monochromatic grille, monochromatic bumpers. You still keep the chrome grille accents, but there will be a night edition package coming out later that'll delete all the chrome with black. You've got new headlamps available in 3 different styles: halogen, LED, and full LED with adaptive front lighting system, which allows beams to turn up to 15 degrees in the expected direction of travel. Also newly designed is the front bumper with LED fog lights and trims with LED lighting. You got your tow hooks, and they've smartly hidden the proximity sensors in the grille of the bumper as well as the trim for the fog lights. Now, one thing that a lot of people were saying when the heavy duty was revealed is that they thought it was going to feel dated because it kept the 4th generation cab. Well, as an owner of a 2016 Ram 1500, I can tell you that this feels completely different inside and a lot closer to a 2019 1500 than it does to an older heavy duty. Now you do get the all-new overhead console from the 2019 Ram 1500, and you don't get the panoramic sunroof of the 1500, all part of using the old cab. But otherwise, this feels completely new inside. And we had a chance to take a close look at the 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. Now the Gladiator is powered by the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6, backed by the 8-speed ZF automatic. The Eco Diesel is going to become available as an option shortly. Now sitting inside the Gladiator, it's nicely equipped with nice leather seating. Now the bed gets the tie-down system from the Ram truck, with this nice rail here that you can slide the tie downs along and position as you see fit to carry your loads. The bed is a little bit shallow, but this is of course more of a lifestyle truck than it is a real pickup. On this side of the bed, you've got your 115 volt, 400 watt AC power outlet, as well as LED box lighting. Also shown for the first time was the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic Warlock. Links to the in-depth versions of those videos are in the description box below, as is a link to an article on everything that we saw at the 2019 Canadian International Auto Show, written by co-editor Robert Miller, who was at the show with me. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.